the guy didn't know how to operate the, you know, whatever it's called, the forklift, or the handheld forklift, but it had a motor, and he didn't know what the hell he was doing, and he busted up the crate. He dropped it too quickly, and this thing's so heavy that it busted the crate that it's in and the pallet that it's sitting on. And then he spun the fucking thing around and dug a trench into my driveway. And then I called the people and I was like, what gives? And they were like, we'll just send the driver back. And I'm like, no. So anyway, I'm gonna put this together and hopefully they didn't break my mower. And I don't have a pry bar. And I also don't have a socket bit. So I am using whatever means possible to remove this crate. But since it's busted, it should be pretty easy. All right, let's go. Alright, well, I'm gonna gas her up and go. Check the oil. Take it for a spin. I can't read.